Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then tap on Advanced, go into Permission Manager and pick one of your phone's features. I will go with Location. Then select one of your apps like Chrome and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with Allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can start Chrome, gained access to this device location while I'm using it. But you can also click on one of your apps like Calendar, select See all calendar permissions over here and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!